It's Saturday, June 19th, 2021. It's 3:32 p.m. Arizona time, Bullhead City, Arizona. We have a NorCold N621 refrigerator that went bad a few times. Put a circuit board in and a new display panel, but this time it just died. So we've been ripping it out since this morning about 10:30. Finally, what had to happen, there was a bar like this, board, on top of here. And you have to lift it to get it up over a lip at the bottom here. I don't know if I can get that down here. I guess I could. Right there. This lip in here. And I was trying to pry away the board. Not trying to pry away the board, break the plastic off to give me room to lift. And as I pulled on the plastic with a Wonder Bar, the top board was dry rotted out and popped out. So that gave me the room to lift up. Now that's since 10:30 this morning. And in a Winnebago Mini 2002 with a NorCold N621 refrigerator, there isn't any strap on the upper back. On the N800 series, there was. Okay, so that's it for this one. You see what I've been ripping up plastic to try to get it out of there. That's it for this one.